Here, let's see him on the land. Hi, Fred. Oh my God, there's bubbles right here. Don't fall down. Don't die. Hey, Fred. Oh my! Fred, the frog is swimming.
Yeah, but too bad we didn't bring some crackers to sprinkle in here at the fish.
I know. Squish, squish. Fred. You want to dive again? Oh, there's a butterfly. Oh, wow. I love you, Fred. So much mosquitoes here. Look at them. I found you last night. Whee! Fred. Good view on the camera. Really good picture. I know. See? There's Fred. Gonna swim, Fred? Swim, Gina. Swim.
When are we going to really set him free?
Don't worry, we'll set him free.
Yeah, he's not going out back home with us. He's going to stay here, otherwise he'll
I'll let him
die.
free now. Bye, Fred.
Wait, no, catch him.